We all know that trees help clean the air that we breathe. But did you also know that spending time among trees can help keep your heart healthy? When we think of health concerns related to air pollution, we usually think of problems with the lungs, but the heart and blood vessels are also very sensitive to environmental pollutants. According to the American Heart Association, exposure to particulate matter air pollution contributes to cardiovascular morbidity and mortality. You might be rightfully thinking, well, that sounds bad, but what exactly does that all mean? Particulate matter, or PM, is a mixture of microscopic solid particles and liquid droplets in the air. Primarily, particulate matter pollutants are emitted by power plants, industries, and cars. Some of the particulate matter is so small that it can be inhaled and even absorbed into your bloodstream. When we talk about air pollutants contributing to cardiovascular morbidity and mortality, it means that long-term exposure to these types of pollutants can put people at higher risk for heart disease and lead to an increased number of deaths. However, there is a great nature-based solution to help people's lungs and hearts: trees. A study in 2018 found that in the United States alone, urban trees remove an amazing 822,000 metric tons of air pollution per year. To put that in perspective, an average garbage truck can hold between 12 to 14 tons of waste. So it would take around 60,000 neighborhood garbage trucks to haul away the amount of pollutants that urban trees remove from the air every year in the United States. Trees can remove pollution not only through the air being taken up by the leaves, but by trapping pollutants on their bark, branches, and canopy. While the mechanisms are not yet fully understood, several research studies have found strong links between people living in areas with more trees and a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Controlling for a bunch of other variables, there are also studies that suggest that people who live in greener areas tend to be more physically active and have a lower body mass index, both which are really important for heart health. In fact, to learn more about the connection between trees and cardiovascular health, the University of Louisville is currently conducting a study sponsored by both the National Institute of Health and the Nature Conservancy called Green Heart Louisville. In this project, they will be planting thousands of trees in select under-resourced neighborhoods in Louisville, Kentucky, and they will monitor the health of participants over the course of several years. Scientists involved in this study say it's a clinical drug trial, but trees are the pill. The information they learn could help identify new ways to prevent heart disease, possibly without needing medication, and provide a green print for creating healthier neighborhoods in other cities. Closer to home here in Chicago, the Morton Arboretum and the Chicago Region Trees Initiative, along with the United States Environmental Protection Agency and Environmental Law and Policy Center, have been working together to develop a program and toolkit to help schools near highways select the right trees and plant them in the right place as a way to create a vegetation buffer against pollution. These trees will help absorb and block pollutants, such as particulate matter, from the highways while also buffering noise pollution and providing schools a more pleasant view. The focus is on improving the health and well-being of communities that have experienced historic environmental injustices while promoting the benefits of trees. For more information on the benefits of trees, please check out the Morton Arboretum's website and our upcoming online course, Rooted in Science: The Health Benefits of Trees. Until next time, show your heart some love and spend some extra time with trees.